This is Virtual Rabbids, a VR arcade attraction. This is a headset upgrade kit. So these headsets, they're old, they're out of date, they don't make them anymore. LAI does not support them anymore. This is what we're going with now. So we're gonna do two headsets, bracket retrofit, lighthouse retrofit, hardware, software. Step number one, remove headsets. So we're gonna open up our inboard side covers, take our cables, our strain relief cabling, and everything out. So the covers are off, back side of the game is open. Let's start back there. So link boxes are coming out, cables coming out. We could just like cut the cable, but I want to keep it whole. We're gonna do this a little bit hard way. So we're up here at the top of the arms that extend down under the monitor. These screws, major pain in the butt. They are 7mm, but they're covered in Loctite. So this might take you a minute or two extra. So let's take a peek in here. We have removed the screws for our whatever adapters these are, except for this one. It's like really stuck in there, but that's okay. We're gonna get that out. We're gonna take this out. If we look above it, we have 4 power adapters. We're gonna remove all 4 of those because those were for 2 were for the old home bases and 2 were power for the old headsets. So those are no longer needed. We'll clean it up in here a little bit too. I know it's a little dusty. We're due to blow it out again anyways, so cool. Let me make one small correction. We're gonna need to save one of these, and I'll show you why. This new home base has got like a QR code on it, and we've got an LED board in there. So we need to power that LED board via the power cable. I believe that goes all the way back there. I'm not sure, but I'm gonna test it. I may have misspoken. So the wire harness there for power is black and yellow, and it looks like it comes into this patch panel here. We do have a sync cable, our little 1/8 3.5mm jack here for synchronizing communication, basically. We will not need that. We can go ahead and unplug it. So this one goes up to the home base up there. This one goes down somewhere. Can't tell where yet, but chances are it's gonna power our old home base on the front of the sled. So this one is gonna stay. This one is going away. So right now we're going to disconnect our what is it? It's gonna be video and this USB. Oh, you can't see anything because the tag was in the way. That's okay. We're gonna do this one too. So HDMI is coming out, and oh no, I don't know which one it is. That's okay. We have a chart right over here. Link box, lower right hand port next to the network switch. So this guy, we're gonna let him dangle for now. At some point we're gonna have to undo our wire loom here and extract these cables, but we can do that later. So we've got our LED module plugged in to our little power port here. I'm gonna put our new cover back on. So this kit, one of your support arms are going to come bolted together, but that screw needs to come out, and those 4 screws on the bottom need to come out also. This is a plate that will cover over the existing through hole that the cable went into. So Let's take it apart and we'll get this up there, both sides, and then we'll start in on the cables. Quick change of plans. This is going to cover up our old wire channel, so cables from the computer up to here are going to be run first. So in addition to a new cable up here, we're going to have to run power, because on our little box, where is it? Power port, injection power port on that. Cool. That looks pretty bulletproof, huh? It's like AMC, metal cable, metal conduit. Big fat bushing right there. Cool. So we got there's a plate that goes in here that covers over the old hole, and you have to put that one on. You got to set it in there first, and then you put the cover on. Got our headsets mounted. Cables are connected. Cool. Both sides. Now we got to fish the rest of the wire through the back and into their respective computers. So we kind of tentatively got our headsets set, ran our cables down, plugged them in, and now we're going to power up and do our software update. So we're in our software update portion of things, but when we go to this particular menu in BIOS, this is saying software installation USB. We don't see this as an option on our screen, and we've tried a couple different USB ports for the dongle, and so we're going to reach out to our friend at Betson, Mr. Brian, and see if he can help us. It may be a faster option than reaching out to LAI. Yeah, there you go. Running our last reboot sequence after doing the update. Looking pretty good so far. Initializing, yes. I thought this was a white light. This is an infrared light. We thought it wasn't on at first, but it is. That's pretty good. Pretty good. All done. Took a little longer than anticipated, but we've never done this before.